Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Michael. As promised, today I'm gonna be announcing our Beast Kingdom Buzz Lightyear giveaway winner. I want to thank each and every one of you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the follow, the likes, the comments. It means a lot to me. Just wanted to let you know that this will not be my last giveaway. In fact, there's one coming up soon because we have to celebrate that we reached 2,000 subscribers here on the channel. So we have to celebrate. So thank you for your support and thank you for making this possible. And now let's go ahead and find out who our lucky winner is. All right guys, and here comes the moment of truth. Good luck. All right, and the winner is congratulations. Hey guys, if you guys can do me a favor, this is a really short video. I will show the name of the winner throughout the video, so make sure to watch. It's only about 4 minutes. Really appreciate it, and congratulations again to the winner. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Michael. If you are enjoying this video, can you do me a favor? Can you hit that like button? It actually helps me out a lot here with the YouTube algorithm. And if you like the content I'm producing here, you're welcome to subscribe. If you do subscribe, make sure to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my video. And if you are on Instagram, you can follow me at michaels.collectibles. And now back to the video. And our winner is Haley Stewart. Congratulations. Haley, if you can do me a favor, if you can send me a message through Instagram, that way I can get your information and send you your prize. Again, congratulations. And now back to the video.